Cooking rendang is very difficult. You have to prepare such a lot of things, right from the stuff, ingredient, and spices. Not only that, it also takes your valuable time, up to 4 to 7 hours, depends on the quantity of the stuff you cook. As a result, it not only causes you spend a lot of money and energy, both yours and LPG, but also your valuable time. Now all the mess of cooking rendang is over, since instant rendang seasoning was found. This rendang magic seasoning is branded Sari Rendang. It means the essence of rendang. Sari Rendang instant rendang seasoning was innovated through years of trial and errors. It fulfills 3 requirements of world-class food seasoning, namely competitive, compliant with, and compatible, or 3 C's. First, competitive. Sari Rendang reduces cost of making rendang up to 50% and shorten time of cooking from 4 hours or 7 hours to just less than 1 hour. So Sari Rendang will give you much more time to enjoy rendang than to cook it. Second, compliant with. Sari Rendang compliant with world-class safety standard as guidelined by Good Manufacturing Practices or GMP. It easily complies with halal certificate, local brand standard, national standard, ISO 90008, ACCP or Hazard Analysis Critical Control Point, and so on. These certificates are a guarantee that Sari Rendang is safe to consume. Last but not least, Sari Rendang is made of natural healthy ingredients without adding MSG, preservative, and coloring substance. Third, compatible. Sari Rendang is compatible seasoning. It will make rendang easily paired and integrated with other food. So the people whose staple food other than rice will have rendang paired with their own food and taste. For example, Western people can pair rendang with burgers and with pizza and spaghetti, while Middle East and Arabic can have rendang paired with kebab or kabuli. And Chinese, Japanese, and Korean can enjoy rendang. Well, without further ado, let's dive into the video.